In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Squarespace site public so the world can access your work. Whether you're launching a portfolio, blog, or business, this is an essential step. Let's get started. Step 1, log into Squarespace. Head to the Squarespace website and click Login in the top right corner. For a faster experience, you can use Continue with Google and select your account. Step 2, open your site dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Squarespace dashboard. Choose the site you want to make public and open it. Step 3, go to Site Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Settings. This is where you control everything from design to visibility. Step 4, find site availability. Inside Settings, look for site availability. By default, sites are often private, so you can work on them before launch. Step 5, upgrade to Publish. To make your site public, Squarespace requires you to upgrade your plan. Click Upgrade to Publish. You'll see different plan options, personal, business, or commerce. Review the features and pick the one that fits your needs. Step 6, make your site public. After upgrading, return to Site Availability and set it to Public. Your site will now be live and viewable by anyone with the link. Depending on your settings, it can also be indexed by search engines, helping people discover you online. And that's it. You've successfully made your Squarespace site public. Your site is now live and ready to reach the world. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace and website tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online journey.